the physics and the ecology of the pond and the physics and ecology of the mind are the same thing. If there's, talk about an intimate connection, talk about intimacy. Your thoughts and the evolution of the cosmos are the same process. I'm not kidding. Like every syllable of science points to that as the reality. It sounds amazing, and it is amazing, but it's obvious once you see it. It's just nuts. The first principle of Oika is continuity. What does that mean? Like to establish an identity of continuity with nature. The way this idea came to me was I was sitting at a pond, much like this one, and I'm researching the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the earliest light of the universe. We've taken a picture of it. If I was looking up at the sky with my eyes tuned to the microwave band of light, the cosmic microwave background radiation would be visible in the sky. The early universe has this dappled relationality of light. Why I say relationality is because the different temperatures of light, if they were uniform, there'd be no relationships. But because they're not uniform, you get this intermingling, you get this relationship between the light temperatures. Those differences in the light temperatures evolved into the first stars, then the first solar systems, then the planet Earth. On planet Earth, life happened. What I'm seeing are temperatures of light in relationship with each other. And as I'm looking at that, on another tab on my computer, my laptop, I had a poem by Gerard Manley Hopkins. And the poem opens with this: "Glory be to God for dappled things, for skies a coupled color as a brinded cow." So I'm looking at this image, I'm considering the poem, and I see the dappled light reflecting on the water. And then my eyes focus from the surface of the water down to what's in the water, and I see all these little fish swimming around, and I see dragonflies, and I hear the wind, and I hear the birds. I even hear a car in the distance. And then I realize that ecosystem, that primordial ecosystem of light, has now evolved into this ecosystem of fish and frogs and birds and humans. And then the poem hits me. It's in the poetry of Gerard Manley Hopkins. So this romantic era poet has intuited what physicists only discovered in the 2000s with the satellite, the image of the cosmic microwave background radiation. My point is, there's a continuity there between the earliest light of the universe and the moment that I'm sitting there in this ecosystem of light, considering the poetry of Gerard Manley Hopkins, and he's writing about glory be to God for dappled things, for skies a coupled color as a brinded cow. So suddenly I realized that it's all connected. The mind of the poet, the ecosystem in the pond, the primordial ecosystem of light, it's all one thing. That is the continuity. It's a continuity between the cosmos and my mind. That's ontological continuity.